Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your skating ring business. Suppose as the owner of a skating ring business, I use WhatsApp chatbot to let visitors check session timing, get promotions and book tickets. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot. When users send a message, the chatbot automatically replies. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your skating ring business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. Simply, we will open our WhatsApp dashboard. Simply type, I want to know session timing. After typing, you will see I am getting the response. Hi there, welcome to Pabbly Skating Ring. What would you like to do today? Now we have in three options: session timing, book tickets, view offers. Now simply click on session timing. Now we are getting the response. Here are today's session timing. Would you like to book a slot? Now simply click on yes. After clicking yes, we are getting another response. Great. Please share your full name. Now I am typing my full name. Test user. After typing name, you will see I am getting another response. Thanks test user. How many tickets would you like to book? Now simply I am typing 2. After typing, you will see I am getting another response. Please mention your time slot. Now I am mention my time slot 10 am to 12 pm. After that, I am getting another response. Booking summary. Name test user. Tickets to time 10 am to 12 pm. Would you like to confirm your booking? Now simply click on confirm. After clicking confirm, I am getting our last message. Awesome, your booking is confirmed. We look forward to seeing you on the ring. So you will see I am getting the responses. Now simply go back to our Chatflow section. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Now we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in before, so I will sign in. After sign in, we have an interface of 7 Pabbly applications. Now simply click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. After that, we will see an interface like this. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on add WhatsApp number. Now we have two options: WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID, and select the folder and simply click on next. After clicking next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side inbox section. In this section we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have contact field. In this field we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queue. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. We use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have AI assistant. We use AI Assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now simply click on flows. Now we have a flow builder page. In this we have total flows, active flows, inactive flows. Now we are going to create our new chat flow. So simply click on add flow. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we will rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your skating ring business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we enter regex. These format help us to trigger the chatbot. When user types anything, then our chatbot will be triggered. We can also trigger our chatbot with the help of keywords and template. Now we take text button and write a welcome message on it. Hi there, welcome to Pabbly Skating Ring. What would you like to do today? Now in this we also add buttons. Session timing, book tickets, view offers. Now simply connect the flow. Now we take text button and write a message on it. When user press session timing button, then we will send over this message. In this we also add yes button. Now we take another text button and write a message on it. When user press view offer button, then we will send over this message. Now we take caution box. In this box, we ask a name from user. Great, please share your full name. Now select the contact custom field, full name. Also select the format, that is text format, and simply connect book tickets button to this caution box and also connect yes button to this caution box. When user press yes or book tickets, then we will send over this message and simply save the flow. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already created some contact custom field like full name, address, email, demo, time, order, date and time. Now if you also want to create contact custom field, simply click on add more field and type here I am typing XYZ and simply click on save. After clicking save, you will see we are successfully creating contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Enter a description. This will help you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our Chatflow section. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask a quantity from user. Thanks, $full name. How many tickets would you like to book? And you will see I am using asterisk and $sign. Asterisk sign is used to bold the text and $sign is used to when user enter their name, the $sign replace their name with full name. Now we select the contact custom field, quantity and select the format, that is text format. Now simply connect this question box to this box. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask a time slot from user and simply select contact custom field, time and select the format, that is text format. Now simply connect the box. Now we take text button and write a message on it. Booking summary, name, tickets, time. Now simply connect this question box to this message box. And in this we also add confirm button. Now we take another text button. In this message box, we are providing our last message. Awesome, your booking is confirmed. We look forward to seeing you on the Rink, and simply connect this confirm button to this message box and simply save the flow. You can increase your chat flow according to your needs. Now we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now it's time to test it. Simply go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type view offers. After typing, you will see I am getting the response. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.